Apple estimates that their fully automated electrical vehicle will be ready for the production by 2025. You must be thinking if this is a standard automatic automobile. Let's go right to the topic now, shall we? The software joint's current objective is to develop a self-driving car that does not require a human driver and uses an iPad-like touchscreen, which is believed to be the holy grail of automobiles. Woohoo! Sounds great! According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, a new professor for Apple's Titan self-driving car project has been completed, with a new target of releasing it in just 4 years. Titan, the tech giant's utterly autonomous vehicle, is currently in development and will be deployed in 2025. This project involves the organization's more than 5,000 employees. This company will produce a completely autonomous vehicle by leveraging its iPhone technology and user interface experience. The expectation is it is without a steering wheel, brake pedal, or accelerator pedal for the driver, with a U-shaped cabin and seating arrangement reminiscent of a limousine. John Giannandrea, Apple's head of artificial intelligence and machine learning, has been pushed to the car project, as has Kevin Lynch, a key Apple Watch staffer. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple's autonomous car's microprocessor is the most advanced component the company has ever made. It has all the brain processors required to manage the massive AI load in an autonomous vehicle. According to sources, Apple will test the chip in California and believes it will provide stronger controls than Tesla, Waymo, and Uber. Although it is yet too early to tell whether Apple will prevail over other companies in this arena, it is apparent that they are providing significant competition to the market. Therefore, if you intend to sell your kidney to obtain an Apple EV autonomous automobile, you must wait 4 years. In the meantime, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button to ensure that you do not miss any of the interesting updates.